Hello everyone, welcome back to the MailsDaddy YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block a user sign-in in Microsoft 365 quickly and securely. This is very useful when an employee leaves the organization, you want to temporarily disable account access, you detect suspicious activity, or you need to secure a mailbox immediately without deleting data. The good thing is, blocking sign-in does not delete the mailbox or user data. It only prevents the user from accessing Microsoft 365 services like Outlook, Team, OneDrive, and more. In this video, I'll show you two simple methods. First, using the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, and the second one using PowerShell for automation or bulk management. So let's get started. For method 1, blocks user sign-in from Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Open the browser and go to admin.microsoft.cloud and sign in with your valid credential. From the left hand side menu, click on the user and then go to active user. Here you will see the list of all Microsoft 365 users in your organization. Now select the user account that you want to block. You can also search here. Click on Henry Orton. A detail panel will open on the right side. Inside the user panel, look for the option Block Sign In. Click on it. Now check this option, block this user from sign in, and just click on Save Changes. Here you can see the selected user will no longer be able to sign in into Microsoft 365 services. Remember, blocking sign-in does not delete emails, remove the mailbox, delete OneDrive files, or remove Teams data. It only disables access to the account. This is why many administrators prefer this method before deleting an account permanently. Now let's look at the PowerShell method. This method is especially used for IT administrator, bulk user management, automation scripts, or large organization. For that, open the PowerShell and run as administrator. Click yes. Now first we need to connect MgGraph. For that, run this command. All the commands that I used in this video are mentioned in description, so make sure you check out there. Connect-MgGraph and run the command. Here you can see the Microsoft Graph will be connected successfully. Now run this command, Update-MgUser UserId, and mention the user ID. Copy and paste it and just click enter. This command disables the account instantly. We can also verify whether the account is disabled or not. For that, open the admincloud.microsoft, go to the user and active users and search the user Henry. Click on it. Here you can see the sign-in is blocked for Henry Orton. What happened after blocking sign-in? Once the account is blocked, the user cannot access Outlook. Also, Microsoft Teams access stop. OneDrive login is blocked. Microsoft 365 apps become inaccessible. However, existing sessions may remain active for a short time. Recommended security step. For immediate security, Microsoft recommends sign in the user out from all active sessions. You can do this from go to the active users and find the user you want to sign out. Click on this and just click on sign out all sessions. You can also reset the password for additional protection. So that's how you can block a user sign in Microsoft 365 using the both Admin Center and PowerShell methods. I hope this video helped you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the MailsDaddy YouTube channel, and press the bell icon for more Microsoft 365, Outlook, PST, and email migration tutorials. Also, if you need professional email migration, backup, or PST management solution, check out MailsDaddy software tools. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.